All right. So by popular demand, also known as one person, I'm going to show you how to do number 16. So I've set up my long division already. Remember, this goes on the outside, of course, x squared plus 2x minus 4. Please bear with my handwriting. I'm writing on the tablet, and that tends to be a little bit of a struggle. And then I'm also making sure that my exponents are in descending order. So this was 5x to the 4th minus 2x cubed squared, and then there's not an x term there, so I put a 0 placeholder on that one. Okay, the first step for me to divide is to divide, but I'm going to be dividing the first terms. So that's going to be this 5x to the 4th divided by this first term, which is x squared. And this gives me 5x squared. So I'm going to put that right above its like term, so x squared and x squared, 5x squared. After I divide, my next step is to multiply. So I'm going to multiply 5x squared times x squared and get 5x to the 4th. 5x squared times 2x gives me 10x cubed. 5x squared times negative 4 gives me negative 20x squared. Beautiful. Now after I have multiplied, I'm going to go ahead and subtract. And when I subtract, I'm going to change signs. So all of the signs change. These 5x to the 4th cancel out, and I am left with negative 12. Ooh, that scared the dickens out of me. Sorry guys. Ooh, hold on. Sorry. So I have negative 12x cubed, and then negative 7x squared plus 20x squared gives me positive 13x squared. And then I'm going to bring down this 0x, and then I'm going to start all over again. Once you bring down, I'm going to divide the first terms again. So now my first term is negative 12x cubed, and I'm going to divide that by x squared again. This will always stay the same. This whatever I'm dividing each thing by. Hopefully you can see that. Alright, so what do I get here? I'm looking at negative 12x, and I'm putting it above the like term again. That's an x. I'm hoping you can see that. And then I'm going to multiply, so negative 12x times x squared gives me negative 12x cubed. Negative 12x times 2x is negative 24x squared. Negative 12x times negative 4 is negative positive 48x. Then I'm going to change my signs yet again. So this goes to plus, plus, and now this is minus. Well, next part, 13x squared plus 24x squared is 37x squared. These two combined is negative 48x. And then I'm going to bring down the minus 39. Dividing one more time, I'm going to divide that 37x squared by x squared. And I get just a plain old 37. Multiplying, I'm going to distribute again, just like I've been doing. I'm just going to use the arrows now just to show. Every single one of these terms needs to get hit. I didn't do it earlier just because it's going to be a bigger mess than my handwriting on here. So 37 times x squared, 37x squared. 37 times 2x, negative 54, 74x, and then plus 48. Positive, what? 148. So when I multiply this 37, I get 37x squared. 37 times 2x, I had to clean this up, guys, sorry, gives me 74x, and then 37 times negative 4 gives me negative 148. Now that I've multiplied, my next step is to change signs again, so I'm going to subtract, this becomes plus. Adding these two, I get negative 122x, excuse me, and then when I combine these two, I get plus a positive 109. Nothing left to bring down, so this leaves me with my answer. So looking back up at the top, I had 5x squared minus 12x plus 37. And then remember, old school is just to say r, negative 122x plus 105. But I think we are grown enough to where we can write this as a fraction. So negative 122x plus 109. And then always, this goes in my denominator, what you were dividing it by. So x squared plus 2x and minus 4. And there you have it. Thanks so much. I hope this clarifies things for you and makes things crystal clear. Have a good night, or day, or morning, whenever you're watching this.